Hi guys, today we are going to take a detailed look at how to make the most of external business event. What are external business events used for? The new external business event will feature less you label as a process as an outside event that an external service like Dataverse or a different endpoint from 365 can sign up for. You can use this feature along with inherent permission to add extra permission needed to join the event. But start, and I always have help from my Copilot friend. Okay, create a OL object, my code unit, my test code unit, external event. Okay, ask to Copilot. Generate a code unit 80% my test with procedure. Fast procedure. Fast procedure. External event. External business event with two parameters. New level and of value. Text and add requirement permission on this table. Second procedure and event subscriber on after validate city validate on the customer table. Okay, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. And add permission read. after event variable test. This is name of our external business in lowercase. This is the category of the our external business event. This is a enum. Okay, I create enum. And test. Okay. And now version is optionally test business. Test. Okay. Permissions. Okay. This is our external business event, text external bus event. Exec. Okay. This is now our external business event subscriber and okay, and we will trigger our event when we change the city of the customer and insert here test external business. In this point, I publish my app. Okay, I publish my app on the customer. But let's go to Power Apps. Power Apps. Okay, Power Apps. and get flow, because we will find our triggers in the data pairs catalog, and we can create a flow that trigger. My external business event is called the text bus x bus event. Dataverse. When an action is performed is the trigger. Catalog Business 365. Category I don't see my excuse me. First I must refresh my business central event in table all business center virtual data source configuration. Business Central, edit. I select Business Central, click edit row using form. And refresh business event catalog. Okay, I refresh my catalog. 7 close. Come back flow. Test Dataverse. Edit. Action perform. Right. Dataverse. When an action is performed, catalog Business Central, and now I see my category text external Business Central Anam. Table is known. Action name test external business event. This is my name of my external business event. I create text variable with my payload. Okay, test our business external business event. This is my test customer A. My own company, and test our external business event. This customer, and I change the city near me to Roma. This is the our payload. Old value in Miami, new value not available. And the game is done.